New just listed home, 8601, the 139th Street, Seminole, Florida, by Rich Abreu from the Military Veteran Team. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath solid block pool home with 1,626 square feet is located on a large corner lot. Enter to find a desirable split floor plan offering privacy and excellent potential for customization. The kitchen features solid wood cabinets, newer appliances, and a view of the backyard. The spacious primary suite is complemented by 2 additional bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Outside, the focal point is the in-ground pool surrounded by pavers, perfect for relaxing. The large space this lot offers allows you to comfortably park your boat or RV. Best of all, this high-end dry home requires NO flood insurance and has NO HOA. Contact us today and make it yours now.
Buy or sell with us and move for free in Pinellas County. Google Military Veteran Realtor Team and see why we're #1 on Google.